ज्ञानमयी ज्योतिर्मयी मरियम तू दयामयी मरियम तू दयामयी मरियम तू दयामयी।
Hi, I am Hetalba Gohil.
Hello students, welcome back to our maths class. Today we'll solve the question number 10 of your exercise 1.1. Very interesting children, you will enjoy learning it. We'll first read what the question is. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step, and the water level is at the 9th step. Now the monkey wants to go and drink the water from the first step, that water level is at 9th step. Now he jumps 3 steps downward and then jumps back 2 steps up. So we have to count how many jumps will he reach the water level. Okay, now you can see that he is moving 3 steps down. So we will represent the steps he moves downward by the positive integer and the step that he jumps upward by the negative integer. Now let us start children here that, okay, now this is a practical thing, we'll do it here. You can see here monkey is at the first step. He moves first 1, 2, 3. At the first jump he reaches to 4th step. Now in the second jump he will move 2 steps upward. Again he reached at second. Now in the third jump again he will move 1, 2, 3 steps. Right? So where he reached 5th step. Now in the third jump children, in the 4th jump again he will move 1 and 2 steps. Where he reached 3rd step. Right? Now again in the next 5th jump 1, 2, 3. Where it came? To the 6th step. Right? Now again when he jumps back in the 6th jump 1 and 2. It will come to the 4th step back. Now in the 7th jump he will move 3 steps down. Where it will reach? 7th step. Okay. Now in the 8th jump again he will move back 2 steps reaching to the 5th step again. Right? So now 9th jump again he will make to move 3 steps down. It will reach to step number 8. In the 10th jump again he will move 2 steps upward reaching to 6th step again. And next in the 11th jump children he will move 3 steps downward where he finally reaches the water level to drink the water. So you can understand children practically that how it works here. So the monkey takes 11 jumps to reach the water level. Okay, now let's see what is the next question. After drinking water, he wants to go back. Now after coming to the 9th step, again he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back the top step? Now same thing here children, when the monkey is moving downwards it will be represented by a positive integer, and when he moves upward it will be represented by a negative integer. So when he moves down it is positive integer, when he moves up it is a negative integer. Now let us see this also practically how it works. Now you can see here the monkey is at the 9th step here, you can see. Okay, now he wants to go back. Now in the first jump he will move upward. How many? 1, 2, 3. At the 4th jump, first jump he will come at the step number 5. 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the 5th step he will come in the first jump. Now when he jumps second time he will move 2 steps down. That is 1 and 2. That means he comes to the 7th step. In the third jump again he will move upward 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means he comes to the 3rd step. Now from the third step, he will move 2 steps down in the fourth jump. That is 1 and 2. That means he comes to the 5th step here. Now in the 5th jump, children, it will move 4, it will take 4 jumps. That is, you can see here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now finally you can see, children, here that monkey took 5 jumps to reach back. So you can see here practically how the monkey is coming down and going upwards, right? So now let us see what is the next question, children, here. Now if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integer. Now there is change here. Earlier moved down we used to put it the positive integer. Now here there is change, we are taking it as a negative integer, and the number of steps moved up by the positive integer. Now represent this moves in part 1 and part 2 by completing the following pattern. Now children, there is one pattern given to us where we have to answer the question. Now let us see what it is. Now the first one, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integer and the number of steps move up by the positive integer, now let us complete the pattern here. The pattern given to us is -3 plus 2. Now children, this pattern we have to forward till we come to the answer, that is -8. We have to reach here, that is we have to reach till, okay, so we have to reach till we get -8. Now children, the monkey moves in part 1. Here you can see, children, here that we have to complete the given pattern here, -3 plus 2. Now again we will continue here, you can see here -3 plus 2, again -3 plus 2, -3 plus 2, -3 plus 2. Now you can calculate it easily. When you put this -3 and plus 2, you will get -1, this also -1, -1, -1, -1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With the same sign, children, we have learned in the integers, right, that with the same sign add the numbers and put the same sign. So I will get -5 and -3. So -5 -3, what do I get, children? -8. So that means we have reached to our answer, that is -8. Now from this we can see that the moves in part 1 represent the monkey is going down 8 steps. Why? Because we got our answer as -8. That means it is moving downwards, and because -8 is a negative integer. As it is a negative integer, it tells us that the monkey is moving downwards. Okay, now let's see what is next here. The second pattern is given to us, children, here 4 minus 2 plus so on. We have to reach till +8. Now what is there? Let us see. So 4 minus 2, again 4 minus 2, and the last 4. 4 minus 2 I will get as 2, again here I will get 2, and 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, what I get? 4 plus 4, children, I will get 8. So we have reached to my point here where I needed. That means I got answer positive. That means the monkey is moving upward. You can see in the part 2 the monkey is going up because it is a positive integer, right? Now let us see. Now with this we complete our exercise. Hope you enjoyed learning this question. Thank you. Have a nice day.